Athiani FM, Athiani FM. It's so nice, so sweet, it's so beautiful to see people bringing back love. Reggae bring back love. Morgan Heritage. We are having a nice and slow on a TBT. What is a TBT, by the way? What can you remember ukiwa shule? Either ukiwa Katoi, ukiwa Primo, ukiwa high school, ukiwa campus. Exactly what can you remember? You're gonna tell me kupitia kwa Athiani Fm, wasia wito vina wito. And this is the place to be on a lovely second day of December 2021 is the year. Na hii ndi ile month wazazi hatupendi because we have to spend. We don't love this one because this is a month of spending, eh? Hakuna kitu kingine ni kutumia do. Hakuna kitu kingine. You're gonna use money because watu wanataka kupelekwa out holiday kiasi. Hata kama si mbali wherever you are, right? Mimi sioni hii mwezi nikienda Mombasa like last year. Last year sikuwa nalienda last year but this month I'm gonna spend with them right in Nairobi. Okay, I'll see kama tuende Ocha. We can spend huko Ocha. Tunaweza spend Ocha tukule kambuzi huko Ocha, lakini Nairobi it's the ideal place to be. Wait, anybody calling me now? I'm on, please. Don't call me. Yeah, because wait, ladies, what do you want from me? See, I told you I'm married. I have a family. Please, ladies. I've got some beautiful tunes from Bunny Wailer. I got some beautiful tunes from Richie Spice, Peter Tosh, Kenyatta Hill, Lucky Dube, Coco T. And another request you're gonna tell me kupitia kwa Athiani Fm wasaito vinaito. But then the president said something so important yesterday to us elderly men. Elderly men, we are seducing the young girls because we have money. Do you know that unaribu uyo mtoi? That small girl you want because you have money. President Uhuru Kenyatta said, actually, please, as old men, please leave the girl child alone because she needs a future, right? She needs her tomorrow. Deal with your age, please. That is what exactly President Uhuru Kenyatta said yesterday in Nakuru. Well, when he was commissioning Nakuru to be a city. Now we have 4 cities in Kenya. Alright? We have Nairobi, we have Mombasa, we have Kisumu, and then Nakuru. Now, by the way, Nakuru is the cleanest city in Kenya. Good people in Nakuru, are you listening? You are the cleanest, and yesterday commissioned to be the 4th city in Kenya. Me, I'm Stano Pupa Simba Monambo Kamba, the one and only. Ndani ya Sukli Reggae on a TBT. We're gonna have it nice and slow until 4. Good afternoon. Athiani FM, wase wito binya wito.